If at any time the ecstasy gets too great, you just use the safe word. Until we hear the safe word, we will not stop. On van der Sek!
So, are the girls coming back?
Administer the testicle clamps!
Huh? What?
God damn.
Safe word. What is that? That's not a word. That's a Flugen Island. Flugen. Ow! 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 Ow!
Fuck. God, this thing revs so nice. Tires are cold. PSM's off. Woo!
Flugen Holland.
Did you say Flügelkämmchen?
Yes, yes. For the love of God, Flugenheimler.
Are you sure?
Yes, please.
As you wish. Bring on the Flügelkämmchen!
I mean, if this isn't a driver's car, I really don't know what is.
What'd you do last night?
I don't want to talk about it.
What is that?
Free t-shirt.